What's up, everyone? Finally replacing my headset. I don't think anybody cares about my old headset, but here's my old headset by HyperX's, and they wirelessly charge through here. And just the complaints on them. This is my fourth headset in a year, the same exact one. The first one, the boom just quit working in a year. And then the next one, this quit working where it connected, so you had to wiggle it to get it working. And now 2 in a row, this button quit working, which is the mute button. You actually had to push it in, and it's not that easy of a button, so you're like pushing it into your head. Both of them quit working, which this one did too, which is the mute button. But all the buttons are that way. And it wirelessly charges on this, and I think it gets really hot from wireless charging, which is odd for a headset. But actually wireless charge, you just leave it like that. And it charges, which is nice, because then it charges the same place my phone charges on my little mat on my desk. But I think it gets hot enough that it starts ruining these buttons, and I'm just fed up with it. So them can hit the road. 4 in 1 year. And I'm tired of doing warranty processes on it. So SteelSeries Nova 7 has the same exact stuff within it. I need the game sound mixer, I think it's called. That way when I'm streaming, I can mute my party and mute myself, which you can always mute yourself, but I need the party to be separated from the game sound. That way, if somebody's playing music or something, I can take it out of the stream, but my game sound is still annoying everyone. So I went ahead and bought one of these. They're not too pricey. I think they're about 150 bucks right now. I got a deal on it. Amazon used for 76, I think. I never have bad luck with used products as long as everything looks pretty nice. They do have upgradable ear covers for this if you want to go cloth, gel, or leather route. I'm kind of liking the gel route, but it gets kind of hot in my room, and the leather kind of annoys me sometimes. So it's nice to have options, and I'm hoping that I can switch them out based on my weather. That's what I'm gonna have to do. Oh, nice wrapped, real nice. We'll have to see how used the product really is. The heck is that? The weird stuff you pay for. That's all that's in the box. So this, even though it's used, no one put the little guide together. Fold this for layers. Must be their person, their spokesman. Well, that's kind of cool. As you can see, there's a bunch of cutouts. Has not been cut out at all, and it did come out a little bit just because I was folding it wrong. For glory. Comes in a not a case, but a cover. So far, this is not looking used at all. Nothing else in that. Let's get to the headset second. Okay, so in the box we have, tilt that up, we have the USB-C dongle. USB-C, that means it's not A like most people are used to. Super lightweight. Does it have a connection button on it? Yep, connection button, repairing button right there. Nice, super, super light. I wish it was long instead of wide. If you think about it, you plug it into your computer. Normally your next USB port is right next to it. This is going to be kind of covering it up. Still nice though. What do we got here? 2 cords, USB-C to USB-A, about 3 foot. We have a, oh wow, we have a USB-C extender, my very first one I've ever owned now. USB-A to USB-C, which that's kind of weird because this will not plug into there. Oh, okay, so this is an extender for this. Who the heck is texting me? So this is to extend this out from your computer. So it kind of fixes the problem, but also makes it so it goes back to the older computers, which even modern computers are still using A's. Okay, is that all that's down here? It's a heck of a box setup. That even looks like it would have something in it. Guess not though. Okay. Wild box configuration. Whoever invented that. Okay, you got the manual here. I'm sure you can download this offline. You really don't need me to explain it all. Guess that's an important page. If you guys want to read it, pause it, screenshot it, look at the screenshots. PS5, PC. I think it even has Bluetooth built in. Bluetooth, yeah, Bluetooth. Okay. Chat mixer. That is what I need. There's also software on the computer if you need that. And we go into Dutch. Okay. So with the headset, the beautiful black. I wish I could have got the red one, but it was an extra like $100 at the current pricing. Love how they fold like that. I did see someone else say if you're pulling them up, look, if I'm trying to extend that, see how it's kind of doing that? It's only bolted right there. So you kind of want to hold it right there to extend it out. I definitely agree with that person. If your head's a bit smaller, there is, oh, it's elasticy. That's cool. I thought it was just a piece of like leather. That's nice. And you can adjust it to different settings in there. Comes right out. It has 2 spots, so you can snap it in with 2. May need like something to push on it to push it past there. I'm going to take that out for now. That's nice. It's even nice on both sides. Okay, then you just got exposed screws, but they're recessed in so they won't bother you too much. But then hopefully that doesn't bother you too much in the side of your head on both sides. Okay, so you got, these are just the regular cushion. These aren't the gel. They do come back nice and slow. They do not click in either position, which is fine. Got the USB-C for charging. You have games chat, and it looks like it stays where it was, so it's not a rolling. It hits the end, so that's nice. My other one, actually, you had to push the buttons, and it never kept its setting. Hopefully this one does. Looks like you got the Bluetooth button and the power button. And that's pretty simple, everything on that side. The cushions, even though they are not leather, they still feel much more higher grade than a normal one. There's more like a different type of cushion in them, almost like a nice pillow if you ever get a memory foam pillow. Okay, on the other side we got headphone jack. I'm assuming if you want to plug it straight into the Wii or something, I don't know what that goes to. Volume goes all the way up. Oh, don't go very far, so quick adjustments there. Looks like I could take that earpiece off. I can. So if you want a different color, I'm assuming there is different places. Oh, that's cool. You can, then it goes back on. I'm assuming you can get different colors for the outside. Be sure when it's in a bag it doesn't squish out. Then we have a physical push mute button. Oh, and it actually goes in and out. That's really nice. Love that. That's a great feature. Already went over the volume. And then we have a mic. Pretty sure the mic works while it's in, but you can also pull it out. And it'll go up your nose when you pull it out. Will it stay straight? It's kind of a limp. It's not really gonna stay where you want it, it seems. It looks like it's got a light on the end too. Has a mic on the inside too. It's kind of weird it being limp, but I'm gonna give it a try. Something new. This brand's highly rated, so it must work pretty good. Obviously, with it like this, you're not gonna be able to replace it. But I see a lot of people streaming with it up back like that. So we'll try it out. There we go. I think that's everything in the box. We're gonna go ahead and give it a charge after we see if it even had power. Let's go ahead and give it a go. Okay, I would say yellow's pairing. Definitely pairing there. Let's see if we can turn on the Bluetooth. Little Bluetooth. Going under Bluetooth to see if it's under there. Yep, there it is. Notice there's no buttons to boost the bass or any of that stuff. It's all going to be within the app. Couldn't connect. My phone's been having problems connecting to Bluetooth stuff. Alright, now it'll pair. Okay, it put it up there. Let's go ahead. It says it's doing it for audio and calls. And the battery, it's not telling me the battery percent, which is totally fine. Let's go see if music works. I gotta put them on again. Oh my gosh, they're so quiet. Did I turn it down all the way?
Now, experience the final night of their 40 show residency, captured live.
So I'm told you can be listening to your phone and them, or your game chat in game at the same time, which is really cool. That's up all the way. It's just blinking away, wanting to pair to the computer at the same time, which is cool. I'm gonna go ahead and end that before I get a copyright, but it is working. I'm gonna put them on my head and see how I like them. There is no left and right, is there? Ooh, it's got a nice bass. Sorry, I'm kind of getting into it. Oh man, I've never had a headset that has a bass like this. It's like a Bose headset. That was up all the way and it did not deafen me. So if you're wanting to deafen yourself, like I hear people doing, this will not deafen you, but it sounded amazing, like really well. I did find out putting it on, I'm going to have the headband on. It's a little bit loose and this is slippery. So it kind of wants to just slip off my head when I look down. So I'm going to have to put this in, even though it looks weird and strange, because these are adjusted all the way in. So thanks for watching. Link will be in the description below. Again, this was used, and I can't even tell it's used. So I saved, I got it for 70 something, and it was 150 on sale right now. So I got a deal. Thanks for watching.